Tiger. Hindi naman siya wax eh. Wax ba siya? Hindi. Tumunog, di ba? Parang siyang silicone.
Hindi mo ang wax, no?
Oo. Eh. Puro may ano. Parang siya silicone, hindi siya wax. Ito maganda, oh. Ito, hahawakan ko, ah.
Hindi?
Hindi. Hindi siya wax. Hindi siya wax. Ay, ito yung... hindi ako believe dito. Hindi nakuha yung Tirak. Si Tirak. si Keanu Reeves. Hindi mukhang mukha ni Keanu Reeves. Ang layo. Sino yan?
I love this guy.
Sino yan? Sino yan?
Forrest Gump.
Really?
Who are you? What's your name?
Ganun din niya na ini-introduce yung sarili niya sa movie. What's your name? Forrest Gump.
Pero hindi kasi yung mukha, kaya hindi mo siya
Sekwa to know.
Tom Hanks, oo nga, hindi mo siya makikitang... Ah, yun pala.
Adam Sandler.
Ah, saan? Oh.
They did them dirty. They did him dirty.
Mas si Keanu Reeves, hindi ka hindi mukha ni Keanu Reeves.
Ha? Superman?
Ah, saan?
Bakit na sa kabila?
Yeah, baby.
Ito napanood ko tong movie na to, tsaka yung ibang mga Fatal Attraction, Austin Towers, napanood ko. Ito medyo ano to eh. Medyo may pagka ano to eh. Hindi siya pambata eh. Ay, sorry. Uy, sorry na. Sorry. Napumura ako, kala ko.
Water flows.
Ito napanood ko rin to. Ito napanood ko rin to. Tomb Raider. Tomb Raider. King Kong napanood ko rin to.
Tom Cruise, The Mummy. Dwayne Johnson, Jumanji.
Hindi nila kamukha, no?
Plague upon the earth that will last an eternity, or at least until the portals leave Movieland.
Hala, ginawa nilang maputi.
Nga nga eh.
si The Rock.
Titignan ko, sabi ko,
Takot? Ano to?
ito talaga gayang-gaya.
Party mother.
Yung mga wax mo manita.
Silicone siya, no?
Twilight.
Ang Braveheart.
Hunger Games.
Dr. Dolittle. Twilight series. The Hunger Games. E.T. Walt Disney.
There's the lights. There's everything.
Garfield. Silicone siya, hindi siya wax.
Ngayon lang tayo.
Oo, nalilang tayo.
Tapos di ba dalawa?
Magkano isa?
12, 13.
Plus tax.
Plus tax.
Pero, okay na katulad ito. Jim Carrey, kamukha mo.
Hindi. Eddie Murphy nga, parang hindi si Eddie Murphy. Twilight.
Ito.
Pwede.
Hindi, ang layo niya.
Yung lalaki.
Oo, ang layo.
Matanda na kasi nakalubog na yung...
Mukhang mulog. Sino to? Ah, Wizard of Oz. Wizard. Ha?
Alam ko yun sa toilet. Yung naka-brown. Kasi Simpsons, oh.
Teka lang, tinatin kung totoo, bilangan natin. 1, 2, 3. But is not my email address. I have neither been there nor done that. I will not call my teacher hotcakes. I will not use the negatives. I will not screen price. I do not want the fart price.
Go up more. Go up farther.
Let's go now to the car.
Yeah. Go up there. Nice.
Go! Yay! What's that?
Tinan mo yung mga ano nila, ang titipid. Producer na, voice-over artist pa. Tapos director pa siya. Comedian, stage actor, tapos voice-over artist pa lang.
Nagtitipid eh.
Nagtitipid, isa lang siya.
Let's go na kami. Question number 6. What is the silver used for today? Darth Vader. Hey! It's Baby Yoda! No? Come here.
Ito ata hindi ko pinanood eh. Pero sikat na sikat yan eh, no?
Ano ba yan?
Yung Star Wars. Ito, 7 year each. Hindi ko sila napanood. Ay, pagod na pagod.
Nasalita ka.
Bawal?
He sends one of your brothers to send one of his to the wall.
We think of him as kind of a great stone face, but he just felt the connection to the audience when he was impassive. And people always want to get him to smile. Buster, great idea. At the end of the film, you grin to the camera.
Keaton got into film through a chance meeting with Roscoe Arbuckle, who became his mentor. Roscoe Arbuckle was the second most popular comedian in the world. Later said that everything he knew about filming.
Katy Perry. Anne Margaret. Di ko siya kilala. Ito, Barbara Streisand.
Ganda, kamukha ba? Noel, kamukha ba? Kamukha ba?
Ay, ito. Yung labi.
Hello, darling. It's me.
Siya na ito eh. Ang layo.
Diva. Yes, I'm all right.
Miley Cyrus. Sure. Ang lalayo nila. Sino to? Si ano? Mistress. Hindi ko siya kalala.
Nabuhay na ulit.
Sino
Rest
to?
in peace. Pumpkinhead.
Look at it. Look at it. Come here. Look. Good.
Another of you who wish to benefit from my all-knowing technology.
Who are you?
Why, with my device, you may obtain the knowledge to turn your whole life around.
Ah, may coin siya. Nakuha mo?
Let's see.
Nagulog ako.
A little to the left, a little to the right.
Akala ko ano.
There.
Parang ano, souvenir coin.
Good, good. All right. My machine concludes you switch your mouthwash. And if you don't use mouthwash, please start. You're staining my glass. Hey, what do you want? I'm the brain, not Emily Post. Next.
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 You're so ugly and you're so weak.
Reaction. Pinatulan. Oo. Yes. I think so, yeah. What's the name? What's the name? Ah, there. On the pillar. Wow. Hindi ko ito kilala.
Take my advice, pal. Quit while you're ahead.
I don't know.
Wait there.
Ano, nakatakot ata.
Let's go.
Ngayon, ba't di ka pumasok?
Noel. Ay. Ito.
Saan makita?
Nakatakot?
Wala.
Madilim eh. Ayan.
Tara, reflective yung ano mo.
Exit na to eh. Uy, may lumalabas. Uy, teka lang. Uy! Ay, puti. Aray, gusto ka ng dibdib ko.
This is so scary. I don't know. It's good. No.
Akala ko yung nakaupo wax.
You're fried.
Ay, akala ko part yun na.
Try mo nga, Noel.
Try mo din.
Sabihin mo ko ng feeling.
Ano to? Electric.
Ay, pala ako nag-video, exit na.
Here.
Oh, siya.
Ito Superman, oh.
Hindi, kanina flip to pwede. Nakalagay na flip to pwede.
Itong crush kong ba ano eh. Super ano woman here. Tsaka ito.
Ito ka mukha, oh. Wonder Woman, kamukha.
Oo nga eh.
Kasi ano ito, si Pirates kamukha din.
Saan?
Pirates, yan.
Oh, medyo nga.
Red Zone, diba? Ito, kamukha ba?
Oo, ang
Sumakit yung ganito ko sa Umasal ko sa ganun. Spider-Man. Birds of the Prey. Ano to? Combination ni yung sino ba yan? Yung malaking big
Yung sa street, sa
combination ni yung malaking big.
Yung nag-ano siya.
Hindi sa Incredible, yung isa pa yung kulay puting parang malaking may kaibigan siya tapos pinag-combine ng Captain si
John Cena.
Wait nga.
Ano ba yan?
Pacemaker.
Ito rin yung ko. Bakit ka may pores? Wala kang pores sa Asan na? Ay, tapos na pala. King Shark.